Hello guys, Eddie here, and to my long-time viewers and subscribers, as you may have noticed, I usually take a long time before I release a new video. This is because of much time I spend researching, analyzing and verifying information by testing it in months before I share it out. This is to keep the quality of my content at all-time high. But I realized that this harms my channel performance due to the YouTube algorithms. Therefore, I have decided to add something different but still focusing on freelancing. I'll be solving tech problems that we face in our daily activities as online freelancers. Expect more of how-to videos and few but verified information on how to make money online videos. If you haven't subscribed, you will miss this interesting topic that I'm yet to upload very soon. Be the first to grab these limited chances on joining these companies as soon as I share out the videos by subscribing to this channel now. One more important thing, it's good to turn on the notification bell to get instant notification when this happens. Thank you for supporting me. Keep following.